Welcome everyone to my new price prediction presentation for December 2023 on Filecoin cryptocurrency. We're going to dive into the topic and find out more about what's happening in the language of the market for this one. As well, make sure if you enjoy the content to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's a lot of this materials out here, including me live trading on the platforms. So Filecoin today, well, it is a crypto that I didn't want it to cover up, as it's been around 2018. We did the outstanding performance in the bull market cycle around 2021. It was up to $183, and it's now located slightly below $5 out there. So it is a crypto that up to 180s, I mean, it has 45x on the table, which is still feasible and possible. This is one of a kind that you see on March 2021. It was $42 on 11th, and then in a month it was 183, right? So it did 400% in a month. This is a kind of a cryptocurrency that we're actually looking at. So before we get into the topic, for those of you that would like education with me, one-on-one coaching program, if you're serious about this business, if you are looking forward preparing your weapons ready before the bull market starts, make sure to check out this coaching program with me, where I'm taking you by hand and teach you how to trade as a professional trader, whether we talk about part-time or full-time activity for you, day trading, swing trading, everything that has to be covered. As well, you can join my done-for-you trading, no prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved that you can basically, you have to pay every 7 days. The performance is completely outsourced, and it's done to API trading permission on any exchange. I'm going to talk about those two things at the end of the at the end of the video. Now, this is the daily candle here, folks, and we're looking at the picture for a long-term perspective. Number one thing that we're actually seeing is we are still forming a gap between the downtrending environment line that is part of the accumulation stage that started at the end of the crypto winter. The crypto winter is here, right, which is all the bear market situation, and then the accumulation stage, which is the market range, with two major and extreme tops that have been established. Even during that situation, the markets have pumped aggressively, 229%, and it was just an accumulation stage, so it wasn't a pre-bull market rally. Please keep that thing in mind. Now, what's happening right now is, like I said, there is a gap between the current price action and the resistance and environment line. Before talking about major other levels, such as, getting into the double digits area, which means above $10, you need to get out of this resistance environment line and change the environment. You're still under pressure right now in an accumulation moment. So it means for those of you that have missed and would like to participate in Filecoin, it's a great moment. It's a great moment. Honestly speaking, Filecoin right now is still in the same stage like many other cryptocurrencies have been before this crypto rally that we're going through. They pretty much exited. Filecoin did not, because it had a huge gap between the price action of the environment line and the bottom of the range. It has a huge gap. So now a part of this gap has been filled, but Filecoin did not move. It just, 78% compared to other moves that Filecoin performed in the past and still be part of this, accumulation stage. Right now, we have been performing less, but it's not the end of our performance. It's definitely not the end of the move that we're looking for discovering. So what's happening next? Well, simply, you have the golden pocket resistance right there, which is very near to the environment line. The more time you leave, the environment line is going to get closer and closer to the golden pocket, forming the capability to mix up their resistance forces and act together, which means it's going to be an even more difficult opponent to fight with. So the faster you get to break out of the golden pocket, two horizontal orange lines, the easier is going to be to deal with the environment line, which is a great sign at the end of the day, especially if there is a gap between the environment line and the golden pocket, allowing you for accumulation of liquidity and explosion above. what kind of above do we talk about? Well, I'm looking for, first of all, touching $6 and then $7 for December's predictions. This is the bullish side of the picture. On the other side, there is the extreme situation where we're looking for touching the price section between, $8 to $9, as we can see the liquidity right there. It's kind of pushing high. For these altcoins that are not in the top 10, 15, 20 on the coin market cap, it's actually located on a great ranking. It's 32, so it's not a bullshit. But at the same time, it's a altcoin that has an order book which is thin, it's not thick, which means that if you have a 20% day, it can easily ramp up to 45%. It can easily print another day with 30 to 40%, which is not possible for BTC anymore, but for these cryptos, it's definitely possible. Now, that's why I'm not excluding the chance to get between $8 to $9. There's a major level to fight with over there, but as soon as you clear basically the environment line and you're going to stay above and you confirm it on your side, I would actually target basically for the upcoming months, of course. We're going to have our episodes of 100 price prediction videos for 2024 starting very soon, and I'm going to talk about the other levels that are expected as well. One thing that still needs to be added is the moving averages. 4 different moving averages starting from 20 days, 50 days, 100 days, and 200 days. In that specific order, you can see them on the top left corner. Now, we are actually finding support right now from all the moving averages existent. So this is something that is not only a happy moment, but at the same time giving confidence to traders after it has reacted on 200 days moving average right there. So that's the blue line where we have reacted. We touched the line and we have bounced from the line positively. Now, obviously, the golden cross has just been made 2 or 3 days ago between 50 days and 100 days. And we still need one more thing. To have the 100 days, which is the light blue, cross the blue line, which is the 200 days. It's still a little bit of time needed for that, but as soon as things are going to start moving, and especially you get some retests of the moving averages, such as 50 days can retest 100 days, that's usually a great sign. Let me just look around if we have anything like that here. Yep, we have it over there. So 50 days, which is the orange line, is retesting the light blue, which is the 100 days, and it's bouncing from it. At the time it has been bouncing from it, we have been pumping basically very, very aggressively. If I measure from the bounce towards the pump, it's 81% in 5 days. So expect what others are not expecting. Expect the unexpected, which is sometimes for Filecoin this kind of movements, especially when it starts moving. This is the only thing that is needed, guys. Beautiful. That's all where we are at the moment for December's approach. We're going to have our episodes 100 videos towards price prediction for 2024 on different 100 cryptos. So make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching with me for those of you that are serious about this business and would like to perform in the markets, especially with the bull market coming out. Get your weapons prepared intensively, live, with technical analysis, understanding of the market, share screen. These conversations are all on Zoom, where I am pretty much teaching you about the business, as well as the done-for-you trading for those of you that would like to be part of my trades, including the ability to join a Calendly call with me for free. Like the video if you enjoyed this material, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon, guys.